name Lions and Bot, it's an augmentation, an amalgamation of both lions, and that's what represents Singapore. We are a city of lions, but augmented by robots. And I think that's the future that we envision and the dream that you wish to fulfill. This robotics ecosystem and to nurture this vibrant and emerging ecosystem.
I take opportunity to congratulate Lionsbot for this remarkable event.
Congratulations, Lionsbot. Good work.
Congratulations, Lionsbot, on this grand official opening.
Today, of course, we're absolutely excited to see coming to fruition Lionsbot's new and spanky and zany new factory. 5,000 square feet, it will boost your manufacturing output significantly, and I think it will serve as an R&D hub for testing of your robots.
In 3, 2, 1.
But beyond all of your standard quality checks, the robots in your new facility will be put through a special testing zone. And I think what Dylan is going to share with us, and I can't wait, is how you're going to use it to calibrate your cleaning robots for navigation performance, for mobility perception, and also for sensor testing. And I hope that you will outgrow your factory very, very soon.
I also have a dream, all right, and I dream of a future where there's this bright and airy factory where men and women work side by side with robots to make more robots. Robots that are really good, high quality, reliable, robots made in Singapore and exported internationally to infinity and beyond.
Congratulations, Lionsbot, on your factory opening. Congratulations for Lionsbot factory opening. Well done.
Congratulations to Lionsbot.
Congratulations to Lionsbot for your factory opening at Kranji Green.
Congratulations, Lionsbot, for the new factory, and all the best.
Congratulations to Lionsbot and especially to Dylan for the grand opening.
Congratulations on the grand opening of your Lionsbot factory. All the best.
Can I just get a round of applause for all these amazing achievements from a homegrown company? Wonderful, wonderful work at Lionsbot.
Congratulations, Lionsbot!